Okay, once again, good afternoon. And now we are in chapter 6, division. This is division with remainder and without remainder. Okay, so it's time for math. Once again, my name is Teacher Gwapo and I'm your math teacher in this class. So here we go. Chapter 6, division with the remainder and without remainder. So this is the book that we are using, textbook and the workbook. So you have the workbook with you, so just prepare your workbook. So we are done already in chapter 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And now we are in chapter 6. And we will answer this one. We will have a short review about division with remainder and without remainder. Okay, so that is on page 101. And our objective is to divide numbers without remainders and to divide numbers with remainders. So only two. First one is to divide numbers without remainders and to divide numbers with remainders. So don't forget that if the objects can be shared equally, then it is division without remainder. But if we cannot divide or share equally, that means this is the division with remainder. Okay, with remainder. Okay, this is one of the examples. You can see it here. 15 fish divided by 3 is equals to 5. So this one is without remainder. And another example here, 16 divided by 3, we can see here that there is 1 fish left. So that means this is the remainder, remainder 1. So we are now on page 101. Okay, we will fill in the boxes. Example here, 17 divided by 5. So 17 divided by 5 is equals to 3 with a remainder of, what is the remainder here, Nawa? Can you tell us? What is the remaining number? Because 5 times 3 is 15. So what number are you going to add? It will become 17.
2.
2, very good. So 2, because 3 times 5 is 15. 15 plus 2 is equals to 17. Okay, so we can use a multiplication to find the answer here. Now here, letter A. Now letter A. Letter A, 27 divided by 4. 27 divided by 4 is equals to 6. Why? 6 times 4 is 24. Now what is the remainder? Who can tell me the remainder? Okay, look, Chub. Loktub is raising her hand. Can you tell us the remainder here, letter A?
3.
3. Very good, 3. Because 4 times 6 is 24. 24 plus 3 is equals to 27. Okay, so you can find a number that can multiply, which is the answer is nearly to 27. And then just add, and it will become the correct answer. Now 30 divided by 7. 30 divided by 7. Letter B. Who wants to answer? Just raise your hand. Anyone from the class? Okay, I can see here 2 students are raising their hands. Again, it's Nawa and Lokchub. Nawa, what's your answer, Nawa, in letter B?
4.
4. What's the remainder?
2.
2, because 4 times 7 is 28. So 28 plus 2 is equal to 30. So 4 with a remainder of 2. Thank you. Letter C. Who wants to answer letter C? Letter C. This is 33 divided by 8. Okay, Loktube again. Letter D, Baika will answer letter D. Okay. Letter C, Loktube. Loktube, tell us your answer.
4.
Again, please.
4.
4. 4 are, what's the remainder?
1.
1. Okay, 4 is the answer here because 8 times 4 is 32. 8 times 4 is 32. 32 plus 1 is equal to 33. So this is the answer. Now I want Baikau to answer letter D. Okay, letter D. Baikau. Where's Baikal? Baikal, will you please unmute your microphone and tell us your answer in letter D?
7.
7. And what's the remainder? Because 6 times 7 is 42. So what are we going to add here? 3. Very good. 3, because 6 times 7 is 42. 42 plus 3 is equals to 45. Okay. Now let's proceed on letter E. Letter E. We are now letter E. Who wants to answer letter E? Captain? Maybe Captain wants to answer letter E. Captain, can you tell us your answer here, please? Go, Captain. 73 divided by 3. Go, Captain. Go, Captain. 73 divided by 3 is, what number are we going to write here?
24 was a limit of 1.
Okay. 24 with a remainder of 1. Very good. Very good. Because 24 times 3 is equals to 72 plus 1 is equals to 73. Very good. Great job. Letter F. Who wants to answer letter F? Jada? Jada, will you please answer letter F? 81 divided by 2. 81 divided by 2. Okay.
ก็ใช่มีเศษก็ใส่ตรงนี้ได้เท่าไหร่
81 divided by 2.
4.
4. Sorry. Again, please. Again.
4.
4. 4
remaining 1.
40. Okay. 40 with a remainder of 1. Thank you, Jada. Very good. Thank you. So the answer here is 40 with a remainder of 1 because 40 times 2 is 80, right? 40 times 2 is 80. 80 plus 1 is 81. Okay. Thank you, Jada. Very good. Now here, let us answer letter G. Okay. Letter G. Okay. Let us give chance to your classmate before Baikal, Doktube, and Nawa will answer. Who wants to answer letter G from the class? Who wants to answer? Just raise your hand. Anyone? Guy? Hello, Guy. Guy, can you answer letter G? 11 divided by 4. 11 divided by 4. Okay, Guy. What's your answer here? 11 divided by 4. Okay, Guy is not here. So let us call on Fok. Hello, Fok. Fok number 30. What's your answer in letter G? Can you tell us your answer here, letter G? What's your answer here? Okay, anyone can help? 11 divided by 4. Yes?
2.
2, very good. 2.
2.
Is this 2? Okay, 2 times 4 is 8 with a remainder of what number?
3.
3. Okay, 3. So 2 with remainder of 3 because 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. Letter H. What's your answer? Letter H. Letter H. 4. 4 are?
1.
1. Letter I. How about letter I?
4.
4. 4 with remainder of?
3.
Okay, 3. Okay, very good. That's it. Everybody, pencils up. Pencils up. That's great. Thank you. Now let's answer this one, page 102. 102. 56 divided by 8. This one is without remainder, okay? This one doesn't have a remainder. So 56 divided by 8 is equals to 7. Okay, 7. Letter A. What's your answer? Letter A. Yes, Lokchub?
3.
3. 4 times 3 is 12. So 12 divided by 4 is 3. Letter B. What's your answer? Letter B. Anyone? Nawa? Baikal? Just tell us your answer. What number?
50.
15. 15 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15 plus 15 is equals to 75. So the answer here is 15. Letter C, 88 divided by 2. This one is very easy.
44.
44. 44. Okay. Letter D. Here, letter D. Okay, Captain.
33.
30,
22.
33 or 22? 20, 22. Not 33 now. This is 22. Okay, the answer here is 22 because 22 times 3 is 66. Okay, letter E. What's your answer? Letter E.
6.
Again, please.
6.
6. 6 times 4 is 24. Okay. How about letter F? Letter F. What's your answer?
2.
2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. This is the easiest question for it all. This is the easiest one, okay? Next, letter G. Letter G, what's your answer? 87 divided by 3.
29.
Huh?
29.
29 is correct. Here. Letter H, letter H. Here.
11.
11. Letter I.
10. 10.
10. 80 divided by 8 is 10. Okay. Very good. Very good. Okay, the answer in letter I is 10. Letter J. How about letter J?
9.
9.
9. Because 9 times 9 is 81. Or 89. 81 divided by 9 is 9. Letter K. Very easy.
10. 10.
Okay, it's number 10. Okay, that's it. It's very easy, right? There are 16 carrots, okay? There are 16 carrots and 4 rabbits share them equally. Now the question here is, how many carrots does each rabbit receive? One rabbit, how many carrots? So we will divide here. Okay, Lokchub and Nawa. Okay, go. How about Baikal? Tell us your answer. Gong King, what's your answer?
4 carrots.
4 carrots.
4 carrots.
1 rabbit, 4 carrot. Okay, thank you. So there are 16 rabbits. There are 16 carrots, and then there are 4 rabbits. So each rabbit receives 16 divided by 4 is equals to 4. So each rabbit receives 4 carrots. So we will just divide 16 into 4. Okay, now let us proceed in letter G. Letter G, it says here that there are 40 chocolate balls and 8 children share the chocolate balls equally. Now we will find the number of chocolate balls each child received. Okay, each child received. Now 40 divided by 8. So we will just write this one. There are, okay, we'll write this. There are 40 chocolate balls. These words, we will write it here on the first line. So we just copy this one. There are 40 chocolate balls. And then second line, we will write here, there are 8 children. Okay, so we will just do like this. There are 40 chocolate balls and there are 8 children. So each child receives, so we will just divide 40 into 8 children. So 8 children receives 5 chocolate balls each. Okay, each of them receive 5 chocolate balls. So therefore the answer here with this question is each child receives 5 chocolate balls. So don't forget to tick all these questions, 4 questions. If you know, you tick yes. If you don't know, do not tick yes, okay? And now, let us proceed here. My thoughts, write down 4 different ways, okay? We will write down 4 different ways to divide 44 equally, okay? 44 equally, and then we will share with your friends. Now, tell us your answers. In here, Teacher Gwapo give you already the answers here, right? So 44 divided by 4 is 11. Now, I want Kong King. Kong King, hello? Hello, Kong King. Can you tell us your answer here? Can you give me a number here? What number can we divide into 44? Without remainder, okay? Without remainder. Who can help Teacher Gwapo?
2.
Okay, 2. Very good. 44, very good, Kong King, that's correct. 44 divided by 2. Now, if we will divide 44 into 2, okay, right here, number 2. Now, what's the answer here? 44 divided by 2. Kong King, what's your answer here? 44 divided by 2. What
11.
number? 11.
11.
Are you sure? It's 11? 44 divided by 2. It's not 11, sorry. Because if we will multiply 11 to 2, it's only 22.
22.
Sorry?
22.
Okay, 22. It's correct. Very good. Thank you. So the answer here is 22. So 44 divided by 2 is 22. And 44 divided by 4 is 11. Any number that we can divide into 44? Any number? Okay. Grape. Grape, can you give us an answer? Can you tell me the number here?
What page?
Again, please.
What page?
Oh, are you okay? We are on page 106.
Okay.
Okay, Look Tube. Maybe Look Tube has an answer. Tell us your answer, please. 11. 44 divided by 11. So what's your answer, Look Tube?
4.
4. Okay, that's it. It can. What else? Any number? Any number? Who can tell us an answer here? Baikal, can you tell us your number or an answer here? Any number?
22.
22. Right here, 22. Divided by 44 divided by 22. So what's the answer here?
2.
2. Okay. Thank you. 22 divided by 2 is 44 divided by 22 is 2. So it's like a mirror, huh? It's like a mirror. So that's it. Thank you so much. It's very easy. I hope you are done already. So next week we will be learning about time. Okay. So allow me to erase this one. Okay, I will erase this one. Thank you so much. 2/3 students. Thank you for watching and listening with Teacher Gwapo. God bless everyone. Bye-bye. Okay. Goodbye. Bye-bye, everyone.